Hey guys, welcome to the first day of the devlog. Well, I'm quite shy looking at myself right now. I'm gonna get rid of that. Basically, it's been a bit. It's been a while. It's been a little journey. I've been taking the steps I needed to get from Roblox to learning on Unity, learning code base, and getting used to like the intricacies of the interface and all the things that all the tools that will help me in Unity, basically. Yes, I'll just talk you through the process that I went through learning in the first week to get some basics down in C# to translate into the game engine. I realized, hey, tutorials directly about the coding, if you can find the right one, the one that's best suited for you specifically, then you can really start to piece together a kind of sense of where you want to go or where you can go in Unity. Kind of gives you leverage learning a language before heading directly into projects. But yeah, I'll just that kind of summarizes what I did before. So for the first week, it was a bit of a fluke, you could say. I was making a coin game, getting coins, you tally, and it was a bit messy. I didn't really learn much. Without a tutorial, I was just not progressing at all, so that was cut short, and I ended up doing some YouTube tutorials. I'm in the 3D space now, but working on a 2D game. Moving on to the second day, I get to learn variables, loops, all over again. Oh yeah, it did not transfer from Lua on Roblox as I would have thought. But that's okay. The concepts aren't new. It's just the kind of dressing that's been put on the language itself. So at this point, I would have gone through 6 scripts teaching me about just the general interface, interacting with the interface via script, learning about what each type of code represents, and a bit of operation work, and learning the types that there are for me to use, and doing basic variable drills, you could call them now. And then I made a calculator, a tip calculator for the last one.
Now we get 120 as a total amount. Next one. If you did something different but it works, no worries at all. There's lots of ways to do the same thing. Just make sure to add. Oh, for 100.
Final day of the week. I didn't have much time. And that's the progress we have for this week. I'm pretty proud of myself for getting up to this point in the project. Usually when you start out, it's the hardest because you gotta make the move, you gotta make the decision to stick to it. And safe to say we got through it for the first week. So that concludes the first week of this devlog. I will see you in the next one when I see you next time.